I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install RubyMine in Ubuntu 26 operating system. To download the software in Google search box, write there RubyMine, then go on this jetpains.com site. Then you need to click on this download button. There you can get for Windows, Mac and Linux. Linux that's selected here, you need to select this install. This is a Linux file. Click on this download. And there you can see the file is downloading. Total size 986 MB. Now if I go into this terminal and there if I write Ruby version, so you can see Ruby 338 and version this already installed. So this I already discussed how to do the installation of Ruby in my last video. From there you can see the lecture. And now if I go into this, here you can see total download status. This will only take few second times. This RubyMine 2026 that's downloaded. Let's click on this join folder. Thereafter simply you need to do the extraction. Click on this extract. So here you can see this is now preparing. This file extracted. Thereafter here let's click on this RubyMine. You need to go on this bin. There you can see so many files are there. So here let's click on this RubyMine. exe file is there. So you need to double click on this icon exe file. And here RubyMine sh you can also try. So now you can see this here icon form. Click on this continue, don't send, and right now RubyMine here you can create the project. So empty interpreter does it recognize? Click on this plus. Here automatically this detected. Click on this OK. So 338 that's detected there. So that I already told you that Ruby must be installed in your system, then you can use this. Then let's keep the project name first. And there let's click on this create. And now here the project is creating. This is now creating. You can add the AI. Currently I'm not going to do this. I will do this later. Then after this that I'm using first time, so this will take some process here. Currently this is now analyzing the project. Now here this is the first, right click, then new. Here Ruby class or file that's going to create. So Ruby file that's going to create there. Let's get this test.rb that's created. Now to print the hello world you need to use this code. So copying and pasting there. Control S to save. Here this green button that's enable, click on this run. So hello world that's displaying. Thereafter there you can write any code. If I do any changes, let's click on this test RB. Here you can see tutorial that's displaying. So this is the most simplest way we can do the installation of RubyMine on this Ubuntu 26. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.